Oh no, look at this line.
Don't worry, it moves fast.
Mom, why do we take off our shoes?
For security, they check everything carefully.
Even shoes? Safety first. Please remove any metal items. Watches, belts, coins.
Oh, right. My earrings too?
No, that's fine.
Look, I'm flying already.
Save that energy for the real flight, Peter.
Finally, we can sit down. Coffee times.
Definitely. I'll get coffee. Kids, what do you want?
A sandwich, please.
French fries.
One sandwich and one fries. Coming up. Here we go. Breakfast number 2.
Thank you, Mom.
These fries are so good.
Careful, don't spill them on your shirt.
Too late.
Mom, what's Costa Rica like?
It's warm, green, and full of nature. You'll see rainforests, beaches, animals everywhere.
Do they have monkeys there?
Yes, lots of monkeys.
And colorful birds, too.
Can we swim every day?
Every single day if you want.
I just hope we didn't forget anything important.
Wait, did we pack the sunscreen?
Uh-oh, I think I left it on the kitchen counter.
Oh no, David. We'll burn under the tropical sun.
Don't worry, we'll buy some after we land.
You always say that.
And it always works out, doesn't it?
Maybe. You're lucky. You know that?
Daddy is always lucky.
That's because I married your mom.
Oh, stop it.
Attention, passengers flying to San Jose, Costa Rica. Boarding will begin at gate 22 in 10 minutes.
Oh, that's us. Time to go.
Yay! We're going to Costa Rica.
Let's run.
Wait, no running. We'll get there on time.
Okay, family. Passports and boarding passes ready.
Check.
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 All right, Team Costa Rica, let's fly.